In other news, it's a race to get schools repaired in time for the new academic year come September. According to the Ministry of Education, the repair bill is almost $3 billion as over 300 schools have been damaged by Hurricane Beryl. Romarda Lyons reports.
Approximately 6 weeks until schools reopen, but the assignment now is cleanup. After the most recent assessment, 309 primary and secondary schools have been damaged by Hurricane Beryl. That's up from the 213 the ministry announced last week. Now the cost to repair?
We've estimated that is now at approximately $2.7 billion.
That figure also increased. It's up from almost $800 million previously reported. The over 300 schools have been put into 3 priority groups. 85 schools are in priority 1 with an estimated damage of $1.4 billion.
Those schools that have been severely damaged, that we have to begin the restoration in order to have them in a place where they can be safely opened come September.
For priority 2,
those are schools that have suffered damage, but they can operate while work is underway. We have 110 of those schools moderately damaged and will require significant repairs.
And in priority 3,
these schools that have suffered minor damage, they can operate as well while the work is being done. There are 114 of those in that category. Minimal damage, that would include things like fallen trees on fences, on guttering, on roofs.
The National Education Trust says all parties willing to assist affected schools are welcomed, but contact has to be made with the trust before.
We are the registered charitable organization. We're responsible for education development and ensuring that your donations reach where it should be and that we mobilize resources.
To date, the ministry's technical team has identified contractors for the priority 1 schools. In addition,
all regions will be dispersed some emergency funds. I know that process has started already, and if not already received, very close to being received. And this is for cleaning up exercises and other critical activities.
The ministry's technical service unit and the National Education Trust will oversee and monitor the works. Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.